These two moves look particularly elegant combined from closed position. If you're familiar with them individually, this snippet from class should give you the details you need to splice them together.
Then this third one, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do the server hand thing. All right, and I'm just gonna try to guide her around me. And I'm gonna take a little peek over my right shoulder, and she's on my right side, so I can lead a little blindish exhibit like that. So 1, 2, 3, get back in her face. 1, 2, 3, get back in her face again. Then we go up, 5, 6, X, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, is it weird? Okay. Well, obviously it's beautiful. But anyone have a little hard time with it at all?
Intermediate.
Oh, okay. Yes. Canada Gold. I am so sorry. Thank you. Let's smartly rotate the intermediate class. So not that anyone here is having any trouble, but if you show this to a friend and you want it to be like a little easier, exhibit happens when she's here, like on your right side. And so you just want to make sure that you acknowledge where she is just to make it a little easier for the follow. 1, 2, 3, get back in her face. 1, 2, 3, close it back up and rosca la, but look for her over your right shoulder. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That looked really great. I think it was probably unrelated to anything I said, but let's rotate.
Hopefully this is a quick combo that you can add to your closed position dancing. If you're in Boulder, Colorado, I will see you this weekend for Lo Cubano. My friends up north at the end of June for una Bulla in Ottowa. And if you've been thinking about picking up my course, Casino Fundamentals, for the month of May, I'll be adding a virtual private class to be used at your convenience. And for the first 10 people to pick it up, I'll include 3. I know the idea of learning dance over the internet might seem crazy, but if you like the channel, just imagine what we could get done with a Zoom window.